Authorities in Bledsoe County are looking for a driver seen in a now viral video dragging a dog from his truck. Good evening. I'm Kim Chapman-Whitfield.
And I'm Josh Rose. Several people have reached out to our newsroom about the video since it was first shared. The incident happened along U.S. Highway 127, not far from Bledsoe County Middle and High School.
Now, we had that video to show you, but of course we want to warn you, even with parts of the video blurred out, some viewers may find it disturbing. Okay, this is the video which has been shared repeatedly online.
The woman who recorded this video says she was shocked and immediately reported it to the Sheriff's Department. News Channel 9's Ja'Kai Spice went to Pikeville to hear her reaction to what she saw.
I guess I kind of thought to myself, like, am I really seeing, what I think I'm seeing?
Simone Root tells me she was leaving her son's baseball game Tuesday when she saw this white truck dragging a dead dog by a leash.
As we got a little bit closer to the vehicle, that's when we had once realized that it was an animal. It really just shocked us.
Root says her children kept asking her, how do we help? And what do we do?
My first instinct was, to try to ease their minds a little bit, and to try to calm them down because they was really scared.
Sheriff Jimmy Morris, the sheriff for Bledsoe County, did confirm that the male who was driving the white pickup truck that was dragging the deceased dog was driving right here on 127, and that's just about a mile away from Bledsoe High School.
In no way would it be legal. We don't know the terms of what the issue may have been, whether it's an accident, entity. We have no idea right now.
Sheriff Morris tells me they identified the man who was driving that truck, but they aren't releasing his name right now. Morris says they plan to speak with him to figure out whether this was intentional or not.
Kind of flickered my lights, and tried to get a little bit of attention because I didn't know if the person knew, if it was an accident or if they was unaware of the situation. But so I tried to get their attention a little bit, and then they did kind of quickly turn off the road onto another road.
We will keep you updated as to when we're told by officials what the reasoning of this incident was. Depend on us to keep you updated. From Chattanooga, I'm Ja'Kai Spikes, News Channel 9.
And the Sheriff's Department says this incident is under investigation and they have not learned whether this was an accident or intentional.